Hey guys, Coach here. Hey, I'd like to thank our sponsor of this short video, Lowes.com. They really helped us out and partnered with us in order to accomplish this project. So thank you, Lowe's. Hey, this is not PVC pipe. This is actually 3/4 PEX in 10-foot straight sticks. And the project that we're doing this spring is availing ourselves to more hose bibs around the house area. When this house was built, it was kind of thought of as an afterthought to have outdoor faucets. We're up here in zone 4, so watering when the house was built was not a high priority. However, Maestro and I have done a lot of horticultural improvements around the house, and we've made it a home rather than a recreational spot to come and enjoy snowmobiling and water sports and other things that Northern Maine has to offer. In this particular case, we're going to expand the number of hose bibs. We're going to bring some of this PEX from the utility room through the wall and then run along the base of the bottom drip edge of the metal siding underneath that lip, and then pack the gravel up underneath it so it doesn't have any UV exposure. And then we'll put some hose bibs about 2 feet off the ground at 3 other locations on the back side of the house. This is going to go together over the course of a few weeks because we have other things going on. But as far as the project itself, relatively easy. All you need is the crimping and pinching tool for the PEX B line and some upright tees and some strap anchors and hose bibs. We should be able to get it together probably in a couple of days. The plumbing in at the well diaphragm tank is going to be a different story. There I'm going to have to shut off the well, I'm going to have to drain the diaphragm tank and tap into the reduced bushing area of the well itself. So that's going to be a little more technical, may even reach out to a pro to get that done. Anyway, that is what we're doing. Again, I'd like to thank Lowes.com. Hey, if you're interested in any of the products that we show here, check out the link below, the Shop Now type of link, and it'll take you to where you can buy the same products we're getting. And once again, thanks to Lowes.com for partnering with us on this project. This and some of the planting projects has gone a long way, and we appreciate their help tremendously. And we will show you the finished product when we get this all done. Don't forget to like, and if I've earned it, how about a subscribe so you don't miss that video. So for now, as always, to your landscape success, and I will catch you back here after the project is all completed. Bye for now.